This video is the part 1 of Python basic questions. To check your basics, question number 1. What is the purpose of variables in Python? Option A, to temporarily store data in memory. Option number B, to execute code faster. Option number C, to permanently store data in memory. Option number D, to define functions. The right answer is option number A, to temporarily store data in memory. Question number 2. How do we define strings in Python? Option A, using square brackets, using triple quotes, using parentheses, using single or double quotes. The correct answer is using single or double quotes. Question number 3. What is the purpose of comments in Python code? Option A, to execute code, to store data, to define variables, to add notes, explanation and reminders to the code. The correct answer is option number D, to add notes, explanations and reminders to the code. Question number 4. How can we receive input from the user in Python? Option A, by calling the input function, by using the scan function, by using the print function, by using the read function. The correct answer is option number A, by calling the input function. Question number 5. What is the purpose of functions in Python? To store data, to define variables, to break up code into small chunks, to execute code faster. The correct answer is option number C, to break up code into small chunks. Question number 6. What is the role of classes in Python? Option number A, to import modules, to perform arithmetic operations, to handle exceptions, to define new types and create objects. The correct answer is option number D, to define new types and create objects. Question number 7. How do we handle exceptions in Python? Option A, by using functions. Option B, by using try except blocks. Option number C, by using if-else statements. Option number D, by using loops. The correct answer is option number B, by using try except blocks. Question number 8. What is the purpose of dictionaries in Python? Option number A, to perform arithmetic operations, to handle exceptions, to define new types, to store key value pairs. The correct answer is option number D, to store key value pair. Question number 9. How can we define tuples in Python? Option number A, to store pairs, to store a list of items, to store items that can be added or removed, to store items that can't be changed. The correct answer is option number D, to store items that cannot be changed. Question number 10. What is the purpose of Python standard library? Option number A, to provide tools for web development, to provide advanced programming features, to provide tools for data analysis, to provide modules for common tasks. The correct answer is option number D, to provide modules for common tasks. Thank you. Thanks for watching.